Sin City's getting a wash job.
That's right. We love the water here in Vegas. Matter of fact, we embrace it as much as we possibly can.
A lot of water. I've never seen it like this before. I wish we would have brought an inner tube.
You know what? That would have been fun, huh?
This would have been perfect. With the bad, there's also good.
We prefer to look at the good and seize every moment and live each moment to its fullest. Holy cow! This is the best way around Vegas today, guys. Am I getting in trouble?
What's that? He says get out of there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at what you did. The Las Vegas Metal Flossers.
Please subscribe.